Heading into the Lowe's Pacific Resort. Frogs on either side, playing random assortments of instruments. Kind of cool. Very festive for the holidays. They do take your temperature as soon as you walk in, which is nice. On this side. I'm like, what are you doing? Tree in the main lobby. Nice. It's a really pretty resort so far. We did already check in, so ready to head to our tower here. Going to Tower 2, Floor 7. Oh, look at this guy. Very fancy wood carvings. Very nice. Oh, it's really dark in that corner. We got a dark corner. Hi. That sounds safe. A little bouncy. She needs some oil. He needs some milk. Alright. Very pretty flowers on the floor.
I like that. Some wallpaper.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. Almost there. The big hotel.
I don't know.
We're staying in 2723. Alright, do a little room tour here. Turn on some lights, oh, or off. Let's turn on some of these lights here. Alright, we got the bathroom. Pretty nice shower. Nice little artwork. Sliding door. Nice. Okay. Sink area. Bad. Nice mirror. Hi again. It's me. There's no lights on in this room. Let's try to get some lighting here. This is a king room, so it's just a single king bed. I do like the wallpaper, it's very cool. Get another light on in here. Can't really tell the view. It looks like we are looking at the Aventura and International Drive there. Not bad. It's a big window. Couch. I do believe these are pull-out couches too. Yeah. Pull-out couch. But obviously, if you're getting a king room, you probably don't want more people sleeping with you. Very cool artwork. Photograph there. Nice. Big TV. Probably 42, maybe 50 inch TV. Maybe 55, maybe. It's a size. It's the size of TV. They're all big nowadays. Closet area. Nothing special. It's a basic closet. It does have a safe in it. Well, I could fit a laptop. Yeah, you can definitely fit a laptop in there. All your gold bars that you carry with you on vacation. Alright. Not too much else. There is a desk over here as well with 2 chairs. This little area. Probably eat. Do some work. If you do that type of thing on vacation. Lots of charge ports. USB plugs everywhere. And yeah, there we go. Plugs for days. Mirror. Lamps all over the place too. It's a very lamp friendly environment that we got going on here. There we go. So all the lamps on. Then I do believe this is probably a mini fridge. Yep. Mini fridge. Off-brand Keurig maker. Coffee maker, like single cup coffee maker. Nice bucket down there. No microwave. So I'm sure there's one like down stairs or something that you could probably use. These are no slam drawers, which is nice. So no waking up or people if you're digging in the drawers. Alarm clock, which isn't anything fun. Everybody knows that there's an alarm clock in your hotel room. And over here they do give you 2 bottles of water. And since we live in COVID times, you get a little bottle of hand sanitizer. There it is. This is Lowe's Port Royal Pacific on there. 75% alcohol, that's some good stuff. So yeah, not bad. Everybody needs hand sanitizer. Not only do they give you hand sanitizer, but they also put your remote in a bag. Which is nice, because nobody should be touching hotel remotes, to be honest. They're gross. Ew, hotel remotes, ew. Gross. Hand sanitizer and masks, that's what we live with. Alright, that's our room. This room is 2723, so it's on the 7th floor. So it's up here. Yeah. Thanks for checking out.